What's up guys, and welcome to my channel. Y'all, look at this half wig. I am shook. This is a half wig in deep curly from Outre. If you want to see how I installed this wig, it literally took me only 5 minutes. Stay tuned and keep watching. So I picked this up from the beauty supply store the other day. I thought, why not try something different? If I do weaves, I'm annoying. If I do weaves, I normally kind of stop around this area because I do want it to look natural, but I'm giving myself a challenge, trying something different. Hopefully this matches my hair tone. This is the Outre quick weave. It says self-styled in 60 seconds. I doubt that, but it's the deep curl 24-inch in the color 2T1/350. Let's go ahead and bring her out. So I wanted to show y'all a close-up of the wig before I installed her. She's got 2 combs in the front and a comb in the back. So off the top, I am enjoying how soft she is. I do know it's synthetic, so it's going to need to have some tender love and care. But she is really, really pretty. This is a gorgeous curl. And I like that, like, as it gets closer to the ends, it's more of a red tone. Whew, hopefully this matches my hair color. If not, I've seen other reviews and people have had like little to no hair out. This is what I've got so far. I might need to, or might be able to put more of this leave out that I have right here away. So let me just put her on. Where's my mirror? Here we go. Ah, she has 2 combs on the side. I was normally thinking that it was gonna be just one long comb from here, but she has 2 on the side. That's interesting. Make sure I've got it good in the back. Okay, there is 1 long comb in the back. Alright. What do we think, guys? What do we think? She's already got a few tangles at the bottom, but that's expected. That really is expected. It's curly and synthetic. But she's really, really cute, and this is before I've like tried to cover that little demarcation line up, but she is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this is different for me. If you're new here, then you're like, girl, what's all this hype about? It's long weave. But if you're not new here, you know that I hardly ever wear hair this long. But she's really pretty. Okay, hopefully I can blend her. Even if you didn't want to, I think this braid and like a tiny cute little headband would look cute. You wouldn't even really need the braid. You could just make it a headband wig, which would be adorable. Like, the hype with the headband wigs, I love them, but at the same time I'm like, I'm lazy and I've been doing that forever. It might blend in, the color might blend in pretty well. I'm just worried that the texture of my hair won't do the same, so I'm going to have to do some sort of manipulation. I can tell already. So what I'm doing is I'm doing like a cute flip over because I think that will blend in the best for me. And then I just need to figure out what I want to do on this end. So this is my hair right here, and that color is pretty close. Like, I don't think it can be any closer because I got a very specific color when I got my natural hair dye. And it's been pretty hard finding weaves that match my hair tone, but this is really, really close. Ooh, okay, what do we want to do on this side? So I'm trying a method of twisting my real hair with this fake hair as a way for them to blend more seamlessly. Let me give you guys a close-up view. This is the hairline. If I push her back a little bit, you'll see that. You can wear it in so many different ways. Alright guys, so what do we think? I think this is a winner. It's a synthetic curly wig, so I will, like I said, need to show it some TLC. But I think the reason why this works so well is because it's literally almost the exact same hair color of my natural hair, which is a win. If you get a wig like this that's synthetic and different, like looser curls and stuff like that, you're gonna want to make sure you get the exact same color, because it will make it 10 times easier when it comes to blending your left out hair with the fake hair. But I cannot wait to wear this out. Well, who am I kidding? I cannot wait to wear this throughout my house. If you do synthetic wigs often, give me a comment down below. Or if you are thinking of doing something like this is really, really cute. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I will give y'all probably like a month update just to see how she holds out. And again, you're going to want to take care of her because she's curly and synthetic, so double the care. Remember that. Please remember that. A lot of times people are like, this hair lasted me 2 weeks. Okay, well, you just kept throwing it in a bag and you didn't hang it on a wig head, or you know, you were just being really rough with it. But you want to treat it like your hair, if not better, because it's fake hair, so it can get tangled quickly. But yeah guys, all I did was I gave myself some baby hairs for framing up my face. I did slick my edges back a little bit to make it blend in even more. And I might, you know, cut a little bang here, something like that. She doesn't really even need it, so I probably won't. I don't want to push my luck. But like I said, I'm really enjoying this wig. Make sure y'all leave me a comment down below. And if you're new here, give me a subscribe. We are almost to 1,000 subscribers. That is huge. Become a part of the fam here. We have fun. If I'm not on YouTube, I am on Instagram at Globetrotter Curls. Visit my website. I sell presets. I blog about natural hair, travel, tips and tricks, everything and above. Again, I will see y'all next time. Bye.